Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are super well and staying safe. It's Sophie Hannah here. Welcome back, or hello anyone that is new. This is such an exciting video today because I have launched 2 new shades on Sophie Hannah hair. Guys, they are live. They are ready for you to buy, and I just hope you guys absolutely love the shades as much as I do. And yeah, let me introduce you to them. We have Ice Blue and Kiwi Green. I am literally obsessed with these shades, and I cannot wait to dye my hair with them. As you can probably see from the thumbnail and the title of this video, yes, I am doing a split hair. I have not done a split hair for so long. I'm so excited. And also, guys, I had a really crazy idea just before I started this video, and I'm going to bleach my brows and dye my brows as well, because why not? It's actually something I've always wanted to do. A little bit about the colours actually before I get going. So, Ice Blue, you're going to want a really, really light base. It's going to go a really icy kind of bluey grey tone. It is beautiful, but you really do need this, like, the perfect starting base for this colour. We've recommended that you need platinum to a really light blonde hair. So my colour isn't the best base for this, if I'm honest, because it's quite ashy, but I'm not really lifting my hair to like a platinum white at the moment, just because well, you guys know it was really damaged last year, and my hairstylist is really trying to look after my hair, so she's only lifting it to a certain level. I mean, my hair is literally black, so yeah, she's looking after it. So realistically, I'd like my hair to be lifted a little bit more, but I've tested it out and it does look pretty cool, so we're going to go in with this. And also the Kiwi Green, again, you're going to want a really bright starting base colour. It does work though on kind of your lighter blondes. I will put swatches on the screen so you guys can see what the best starting base is, and also if you've got a starting base that's a little bit darker, how it will look with our colour swatch. So yeah, so that's kind of the first bit I wanted to mention. And yeah, I'm just really excited to get it on. I'm actually going to insert some campaign images so you guys can see my models. Oh my god, I love my models so much. I used real people, I used you guys. So if anyone wants a model for Sophie Hannah hair, let me know. I'm going to open up a way of like applications very, very soon, because this brand is a community. It's with you guys. So yeah, I want to involve you in the brand, and my models were amazing, and yeah, just obsessed with the campaign and how it looked, and their hair is incredible. So I hope you love the images. Yeah, first off, I'm going to bleach my brows, which I'm super nervous about, and I've never done it before, so fingers crossed it goes well, and then we'll get onto the colour later on. I'll put chapters in this video if you want to skip through to all the different sections. But yeah, I really hope you love these colours, and I'm really excited to get them on my hair and on my brows. So yeah, now let's get going. Going to be using the Blonde Me Schwarzkopf range for my brows. It's the only bleach that I've got. And then I'm going to be using my sustainable, eco-friendly dye kit, which you can get on Sophie Hannah hair, to yeah, mix it and apply it. So I'm going to read the instructions because I can't remember how to do this. And yeah, then we're going to get it on my brows. All right, guys, we're all mixed. Ooh, is this the right thing to be doing? Oh my god, what am I doing with my life? I think I'm gonna regret this. Oh my god. Do I want to do this? It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Okay, so I've switched to a little spoolie just to make sure it's all on there, and I've brushed through my brows. Now I'm just like coating it. That's one done. Okay, so just coating the other brow. Just gonna comb it through a little bit. Oh my god. I hope this actually works. I can't really see if it's working already. I'll keep an eye on it. We'll leave it on. And then probably gonna have to tone my brows as well. I don't actually have any toner, but I'll just use like purple shampoo or something. Yeah. I look crazy! Oh my god! I hope this turns out well. Anyways, I'll leave it on and I'll be back. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, what I need a spoolie. Where's my spoolie gone? Oh my God, Robin is literally gonna laugh his head off. They actually look quite good. Okay, they definitely need some purple shampoo. So we're gonna go in with the Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde shampoo from Amika. Okay, so we're gonna get a bit of purple shampoo in there. I don't really know what I'm doing here, I'm just making this up. But I don't want to leave it on for too long in case it stains them purple. Is it going to stain them purple? Hopefully not. Okay. We'll just do a little bit more. I'll leave it on for like a few minutes or something. Right, so I've applied the purple shampoo to both my brows. I'm just going to spoolie it a little bit. My brows are feeling a little bit sore, not gonna lie, so that was a bit awkward, but we move. My hairs are probably gonna fall out, but hey, this has been a fun experiment. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for literally like 10 seconds. I think I'm too scared. I hate it with purple shampoo. It's like, is it gonna turn out like this? Is it gonna go purple? But yeah, I'm gonna go rinse my brows in a sec and I'll come back, I'll show you how they look, and then we can get on to dyeing my hair with Sophie Hannah Hair, Ice Blue and Kiwi Green. Also guys, disclaimer, these are not meant for your brows. So yeah, we don't recommend using them on your brows or going anywhere near your eyes. I am personally just doing this myself, so it is at your own risk. We do not promote using this on your brows at all. But I'm going to be colouring my brows to match my hair. And that's a risk that I'm personally going to take. So yeah, disclaimer, on the back of the bottles and on our packaging and stuff, I wouldn't really advise you to do this. I'm taking a risk. But yeah, guys, I'm excited to see if that risk pays off. Right, gonna go rinse my brows. Guys, brows are all done. They literally look ridiculous, and also my skin is slightly stained from the purple shampoo that I used. I mean, I guess you're not really meant to use it on your face. But yeah. My brows look invisible. Oh my God, Robin's literally like, what have you done? Anyways, trust the process. I say this now, I have no idea what the end result is going to look like. Anyways, let's get Ice Blue and Kiwi Green on. I'm going to start with Ice Blue because this is super pastel. So I want to leave it on my hair for a longer time just to make sure, you know, it's really vibrant. And yeah, it's basically like a hair mask. So I'm going to leave it on for a long time because I want my hair to feel super conditioned. Yeah, whilst it is colouring my hair. So let's get that in the bowl. I actually don't think the brows look that bad, or do they? I think it's when I like make an expression, they look weird. Right, I'm just putting gloves on. Dye's in the bowl, and I've got a dressing gown on in case I get the dye all over my neck. This could be a messy application. I swear I'm feeling like really like clumsy today. And these gloves won't go on. Come on. They're a bit wet inside. Right. I'm in and I'm done and I'm ready to go. Got my Sophie Hannah Hair dye kit and my Ice Blue. Let's go. Ice Blue. Right, I'm going to go down my parting and all the way down the back. I've got a mirror behind me to help. But yeah, I'm going to jump this because like I'll cut it throughout just so it's not long, and also I need to make an Instagram video whilst I'm filming this, so yeah, I'll be cutting it in and out of the application. Okay, so I've just added some foil on this side just so I can lay the hair over the top. It just helps with the application. And then I'm just sectioning each bit and going from the root to the tip. Just going to the back underneath now. And then, yeah, I'll work my way into this section. Slowly getting there and working my way through in sections. Back's looking good. Sorry, I'm not filming the back. It's kind of hard because I've got a mirror like there that I'm looking at. Nearly there. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, we're going to flip that over now. Ice blue all applied, and now let's get on to kiwi green. Okay, going in with kiwi green now. Oh, I just love this colour. It's not like a lime green. It's kind of like a pastel-y lime green. It's really cool. It's not like neon or anything. Anyway, I'll apply it and you'll be able to see. Going in. Oh my God, so excited for this. It's gonna look so good because it's gonna be all like quite pastel-y as well. So my mic hasn't been plugged in for a while, and my little ring light on my phone stand, which is next to me here, has been. So sorry if I haven't been talking over the green section and I put music over it because, yeah, I mean, I've tried to talk the whole way through this, but it's a long application and I'm trying to like film multiple videos at the same time. It's a lot of multitasking and I'm just not on it. Anyway, I'm back and I'm talking now, so hopefully you guys can hear me. And yeah, I've popped on some more foil just to help with sectioning, so I can like section and then fold it over. And yeah, the back's pretty much done. I'm just going to do this top layer, but it's looking really good so far. I'm really excited to see how this comes out. I feel like I have not been in these colours for so long. Cool, all applied. Gonna leave it on for about an hour. Also need to do my brows, so I'll do those in a sec. But yeah, the hair dye is on my head. Yeah, looking good. This is actually gonna look really freaking cool, I think, if it works. Obviously, guys, do not do this at home on your brows. We do not promote this on Sophie Hannah Hair. Disclaimer. Okay, now I just need to take the other colour and put it on. Oh, this looks crazy. Okay, going in with the blue. If this works and looks epic, well, I mean, it should work. It's hair, isn't it? I've just never really done this before, so it's all a bit new to me. And obviously, no hair dye really recommends you to dye your brow hairs unless you buy a special dye. Can you buy a special dye for your brows? Let me know if you can. I'll probably be dyeing them back brown in like the next few days because, yeah, we'll see if this actually looks good. But if this works, this could look really cool with some like really cool makeup. Ooh, what makeup should I do? Yeah, gonna rinse it out. I will do my makeup and I will just come back when my, yeah, makeup and hair is all styled and done, and we'll see what it looks like. Fingers crossed it looks good. Guys, I'm back and oh my God, I look like an alien. The brows actually do look kind of cool with the hair, I have to say. But when I've not got any makeup on, it looks crazy. But hey, this is actually really fun doing this. What do you guys think? And also, what do you think of my new colours, ice blue and kiwi green? Obviously, depending on your starting base, it will vary the colour, as I said at the start of the video. So as you can see, mine has gone, it's still vibrant, but it's quite, how can I put it? It's not as bright as my brows. Like, obviously, you saw me bleach my brows. They were quite like a bright, whitey blonde. Like a proper, like, freshly bleached blonde. So, obviously, the dye will come out very, very different. So, if you can see my brows and how the colour looks on my brows, and then, obviously, you can see it's slightly different on my actual hair, just because my hair was quite an ashy blonde, and I had it toned when I was at the hair salon. So, yeah. Depending on your base colour, the dye will come out slightly different. But I'll pop in swatches on the screen so you guys can kind of see what the best level is. Obviously, the best level is like what my brows was before I coloured them. But yeah, I mean, it still looks incredible on my ashy kind of blonde hair. So yeah, what do you guys think? It feels amazing. Honestly, if you haven't tried the dye yet, it really does leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, conditioned, detangled, moisturized, like hydrated. It just feels incredible. Like, it looks so shiny and healthy. Obsessed with this split color and the brows. Actually, it does look really cool. It does look really cool. What do you guys think? I also kind of like did some crazy graphic liner makeup with some jewels. I mean, I'm obsessed with this whole jewel thing at the moment, thanks to Euphoria. But yeah, what do we think? I really like it. It's cool. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with my brows afterwards. I guess I will dye them back brown at some point. But for now, kind of looks cool. New look. A new Sophie Hannah look. But yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on the Ice Blue and Kiwi Green. They are available to shop right now. So if you want to get your hands on them, then shop via the link below. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you in another video very, very soon. Peace out.